Cuneta and Lacson monuments, 22 km and 6 km from Bacolod City, respectively, in memory of two great leaders of the Negros Revolution. Fountain of Justice, where the capitulation of Bacolod was signed between the Spanish authorities and revolutionary forces. Instituto Rizal, first public school established in Bacolod in 1902. Capitol Building, official seat of government of the province of Negros Occidental, served as the headquarters of the Japanese Imperial Army during World War II. Yulo Ancestral House, Bacolod City, by the sea, built in the early part of the 1900s, residence of Don Alfredo Yulo, mayor of Bacolod at the coming of the World War II. Ancestral House of Don Francisco Rodriguez, built in 1938, occupied by the Japanese Imperial Army in 1941. Ubong Cave, a system of cave passages situated at the coastline of Sitio Ubong, ideal for beginners plankers. Pating Cave, highest cave found in the eastern part of Barangay Magbalyo.